Maayong adlaw sa tanan. This October, we come together to mark Breast Cancer Awareness Month. For me, this is more than just an event in our calendar. It is a reminder of the strength, courage, and love of so many women, mothers, wives, sisters, who continue to face breast cancer with hope in their hearts. Breast cancer is a journey no woman should walk alone. It is a journey filled with fear, pain, and uncertainty, but also with faith, family, and resilience. Every story I hear from survivors and their families remind me of the incredible power of love and support. That is why I want to remind every woman, please take care of yourselves. Do not ignore the small signs. Make time for check-ups and self-examination. Early detection can save lives. Let us also remember that how we live every day matters. Stress, lack of rest, and neglect of our own health can affect us deeply. As a woman, we carry so many responsibilities, but we must not forget that our health is also our family's strength. Your life matters, and your health is a gift, not only to yourself, but also to the people who love you. As your governor, I assure you that the Cebu provincial government will continue to strengthen our healthcare programs so that no woman feels left behind in this fight. We are working to make sure that services, treatment, and information reach every corner of Cebu. To our survivors, you are living proof that breast cancer can be beaten. To those still fighting, you are not alone. We are with you. And to the families who carry this burden with their loved ones, your love makes the fight possible. Let us make this month a time not only of awareness, but of action, compassion, and hope. Together we can save more lives, and together we can build a healthier and stronger Cebu. Thank you.